building collapses at Imphal Quaramban Market. President of Mar People's Convention, P. Lalmintang Sanaite in police net. Hawks package causes IED scar at Nambol. And repair work on Jiri Tipaimuk Road resumes. Hello and good evening. You're watching Times of Manipur. This is SILKY Chanambam with the news in detail. A man was killed and 3 others were injured when an old building collapsed at BG Quaramban Bazaar in Imphal city this afternoon. The fatal incident happened amid a scuffle ensued between a group of women street vendors and police near the site where the building caved in. The identity of the deceased is yet to be established. The injured have been identified as Tombi, aged 53 years, resident of Ngarian Ching, Sandang Senba, MK Sangku, aged 40 years, resident of Ngarian Ching, Sandang Senba, both street vendors, and Kisan Thaunauzam, aged 27 years, a passerby from Mayang Imphal and Nilongbi. The injured were rushed to Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, Imphal for medical treatment. The soap building belongs to one Ahibam Dilip, while the tenant is identified as Sitam Sarma. Resources inform the collapsed building is over 70 years old. It is located opposite Mahabir Pharmacy. People ran helter-skelter for their lives after the building suddenly collapsed. President of Mar People's Convention, P. Lalmintang Sanaite, was arrested by security forces during a counter-insurgency operation carried out at Markolin village under Assam's Lakhimpur subdivision of Kasar district last night. Lalmintang Sanaite is wanted by police in connection with several cases, including murder. Taking on a tip-off, a combined team of 37 Assam Rifles based in Jiribam's Kadamtala and Lakhimpur police station launched the operation around 9:18 p.m., police sources said today. During the operation, HPCP President Lalmintang Sanaite, aged 53 years, was arrested along with a .32 pistol and mobile phone. He hails from Kolin village of Saitol district in Mizoram. He is also the founder member of HPC, which is active in parts of Mizoram, Assam and Manipur. The HPC chief is stated to be involved in the murder case of one Jubilee Mar of Markolin in March 2019. A Hawks package caused IED scar at Nambol Tangkha under Nambol police station of Bisnupur district today, prompting police to block the TDM road for several hours today. Taking up precautionary measures, the police blocked the road for about 3 hours, disrupting traffic movement. A coil of wire along with some pieces of cut-off wires, a plastic plate, a mobile phone and a fused LED bulb were found wrapped inside an unattended plastic jar. The jar was found lying at a trash site. A strong team of police led by Bisnupur District Deputy Superintendent of Police A.K. Santikumar, SDPO Lakshmi Devi Thingbaizam, Nambol Police Station Officer in charge K. Subhash Chandra swung into action and took up immediate preventive measures in and around the site to avoid unwanted incidents. But the container later turned out to be a Hawks bomb.
Metal detector की positive और मतों से था एक dog squad से नहीं army की अदुगा dog squad से नहीं रखा से dog से नहीं तो हम से positive signal हम पिलक चुमाना अब कोई कितना confused कोई की अदुगी मतों का एक कोई की मणिपुर की bomb disposal squad की expert अमन आगा जगह से यंग मत हम से दा हंगो हम से चुनने की का
Tom TV's exclusive news coverage on Jiri Tipaimuk Road yesterday has proved that media plays a big role in bringing up plights of the public to the higher authorities. Following a report on the dilapidated condition of JT Road, which is one of the most important roads in Jiribam district, the concerned authority took up immediate steps, removing the pile of stones and other raw materials from the repairing site and resumed the repair work on the street. As such, many residents of Jiribam expressed their gratitude and happiness to the Tom TV channel. It is worth recalling that the Jiri-Tipaimuk Road repair work began some time back. However, the work suddenly halted midway, for which the locals formed a Joint Action Committee, JSC, which launched a series of protests. Now, let's have a short commercial break.
Kangla Packaged Drinking Water, a unit of Lamjingba Group, Chingmang Poising, Nambol, Bishnupur District, Manipur, 795134. We aim to provide minerals added and purified drinking water to every household of the state Manipur, ensuring good and healthy life for all. Silent features, RO-treated purified water, added minerals, state-of-art infrastructure water plant, processed and packaged under hygienic condition, sterilized water bottles, natural and clear stream water source, features and benefits, free home delivery, a filled jar free subscription on registration, 1 month free subscription on registration, Rs 500 registration fee, 30 bottles per month, that is 600 liters, Rs 250 subscription fee per month, 2 months free on subscription of a year. Subscription type, monthly Rs 250, half yearly Rs 1500, quarterly Rs 750, yearly Rs 3000. For more details, please contact us at 8257 888 737 or email us at lamjingbatomtv@gmail.com.
Welcome back. District Commissioner of Senapati District, Somorjit Salam, today inaugurated a help desk at the DC office complex of Senapati. The help desk will provide any paperwork information related to government to the people. The function was organized by District Legal Services Authority, Senapati. Chairman A. Nautuneshwari and Senapati District Superintendent of Police M. Pradeep attended the event. President of Beneficiary Committee, Haisnam Rajan Singh, said that the beneficiaries selected under the Submission on Agricultural Mechanization 2018 to 2019 are still yet to get their various basic agricultural machineries like tractors, mini rice mill, and other items which were promised to them under the scheme. Rajan informed this during a press meet at Manipur Press Club today. He urged the concerned authority to distribute the machineries with the 90% subsidy by 15th of this month. He threatened that if the demands are not fulfilled, Apunbalongmi Loop, along with several civil society organizations, will be compelled to launch protests from 16th of this month.
Government na amuk Agriculture Department na date 16 bak yaithokbire. Yaithoga 16 da dia koi completed sen thiba loire. 16 da loi graba dagi akoi hojik sen thiraga lei graba. Equipment sing haibadi farm machinery, tractor, whipper, mayam se akoi hojibak pithokpa leitre. Aduna athuba matamda pithokpiyo. Da tang trauma boki manungda. Haina akoina government side ta haijaba. Masida pithok tragadi akoi metra tuktagi akoi farmers sing mari linaba akoi civil society na tana akan ma khongjang sangjelakani. Loina na masida akoi gi pibam thokpa leibada akoina di leigraba machine sing gi pithokpada pithokpam thokpa subsidy sizu pithokpiro akoi ware farmer moina.
Film Forum of Manipur today elected its new office bearers for the term of 2019 to 2022. The election was held at the Forum office located at Lamphel. Former chairman of the Forum, Samjat Sabam Mangoljao, retained the post of chairman. Legal advisor of Film Forum and also the RO of election, Ngangom Teskumar, will succeed him as chairman in the next term. Salam Birendra Singh was elected as vice chairman. It is worth mentioning that 7 of the office bearers were already elected and contested on May 8. With an aim to make a better society, Mami Thawan, a social foundation group, has launched a football team named as Mami Thawan Pro FC at Hotel Classic Grande, Chingmairong today. more than 15 players of various football clubs in the country who recently joined Mami Tawan Pro FC attended the event where music and rainwalk performances were showcased. Talking to Tom TV, chairman of the club, Romy Maitei, said that Mami Tawan is a social foundation formed by groups of like-minded people in different professions. The main objective of the club is to motivate the youth to refrain from drug abuse, to spread the message of pollution-free state and also to impart the knowledge of traffic, he added. He further said that the club will continue to contribute in their level best for making a better society by organizing awareness campaign on anti-social activities in future.
Subnatagi akoigi players sing adi mina hena masak khangaba lamamada magi lamama kallaba makoi sing akoi punna punjinaraga ai nga sai haijaba akoigi khunai ji kanaba thaba khara tauba na sumaina leminaba sine koi ji manipur traffic ki problem hengalakpa pollution gi si ma'am ji awareness punna akoi ma'am changhalaga masi mission namoina koi changhalaga doine ngasi degi jo mamang da sum tawgre koi plastic free campaign cherau ching sengba adigi den akoigi kano sing haitare sanaba satpadasu mapam pam da football kit gien ba ko adune akoigi ngasi gi pandam se aduga line da laiba thabak se first akoigi traffic week ama torkani manipur gi celebrities amasung ball gi limelight leba ball gi superstars sports stars ma'am ji yauraga punba ahan ba koi pipeline de lei se traffic week ama torkani aduga akoigi drug ki against drug si campaign namaga koi jamthuna tora ane mami thawani na kandage
Yai School Volunteers Organization YVO today kick-started its one-year-long Golden Jubilee at the Manipur Dramatic Union Hall today. The function was attended by MLA of Yai School Assembly Constituency, Thokchom Satyabrata Singh, advisor of YVO, Aribam Brajakumar Sarma, and President of YVO, Sorokhaibam Brajamani as Chief Guest of Honor and President respectively. On the occasion, floral tributes were paid to the departed members of the organization, which was followed by lighting up of ceremonial lamp by the chief guest. Addressing the occasion as chief guest, MLA T.H. Satyabrata said that local clubs and organizations are the backbone of localities.
Pambi si herba tu herba matungda ko na plantation taw na ano pambi thaba daw na mioi ba si hoi hena mapung phaba afa mioi ona semna no hona da YBO na no ba policy mo putho piranga ma sau yamina ningbai apam ba ne na mayam mafam da thamjari bis aduna apun mo na thau taw mina kan da hena mapung phaba ona sanama orakani habadu ma ai mayam mafam da thamjage.
General Secretary of YVO, Dr. Nongthombam Susil Kumar, stated that Yai School Volunteers Organization was established on May 10 of 1969 with a vision to divert the minds of youth from intoxicants and lead them on the right path. During the opening function of Golden Jubilee celebration being held on the theme Chahigi Khudol Tamba, gifts were presented to former volunteers of the organization to honor them. TCCQ Dental and Implant Center, Chingmairong, in collaboration with DM College of Teacher Education, organized a free dental camp at the premises of DM College of Teacher Education today. The camp was held to give importance to healthy teeth, which in turn helps in maintaining one's good health. The principal of DM College of Teacher Education, Dr. Ibomcha Sarma, said that the free dental camp was held with an aim to maintain good health among the trainees of the institution. The two-day tournament on knockout basis has kick-started at Handball Ground Center, CRPF Langjing, Imphal today. A total of 9 teams, i.e. 32 Battalion, 69 Battalion, 78 Battalion, 86 Battalion, 87 Battalion, 109 Battalion, 143 Battalion, 173 Battalion and GC Imphal are participating in the Handball Tournament 2019. IPS IG of Manipur, Rajesh Kumar, and Nagaland Sector, CRPF, who attended the function as the chief guest, opened the tournament. DIG, Group Center, CRPF Imphal, I Lokendra, and other senior officials, subordinate officers, and Jawans also attended the function. The opening match was played between 78 Battalion Kohima and 109 Battalion Mongsangai. 78 Battalion Kohima defeated 109 Battalion by 24/6. IPS IG of Manipur, Rajesh Kumar, and Nagaland Sector urged the Jawans to participate in such activities to keep themselves not only physically fit but also to bring laurels to the force at national and international level. Mantripukri Battalion of 9th Sector Assam Rifles, in each continuous effort to guide the youth of the nation to a better path, organized an awareness program on Know Your Armed Forces at Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Yaralpat yesterday. Koirengai Company Operating Base COB organized the event with the objective of providing young students an insight into the Indian Army and the Assam Rifles. More than 300 students and teachers from 8 colleges and 15 schools all over Manipur took part in the event. The event commenced with a motivational lecture on Live a Lifeless Ordinary, Indian Army and Assam Rifles. The students were also made aware on various types of entries to join the Indian Armed Forces as a career option, including eligibility for direct SSB interviews after obtaining NCC C certificate. An interactive session clarifying all the queries raised by the students regarding procedure to join the Indian Army and the Assam Rifles was also held as a part of the program, and information on the upcoming recruitment rallies along with career counseling was also provided. As a part of the event, new generation weapons and equipment used by the Indian Armed Forces were also displayed. Once again, let's have a short commercial break.
China Coal. For the first time in the history of satellite television channel in Manipur,
Ipa, ima ginom daw kre. Abu nang lehora mama ka dagdag sa lukige.
China Coal. Crime Watch. A mega TV serial based on true stories. Watch every Saturday at 7 p.m. Only on Times of Manipur, Tom TV. Starting from 11th May 2019.
Welcome back. The campaign for repoll in 168 polling booths of West Tripura Lok Sabha constituency has ended today evening. Polling personnel are scheduled to leave for polling booths with EVMS and VVPAT on Saturday to conduct repoll in 168 polling stations. Elaborate security arrangements have been made for the repoll scheduled for May 12. Before deployment of central forces, webcasting will be done on voting session. The election machineries have already conducted campaign in repoll-bound areas, urging the voters to cast their vote on May 12 without any fear, as enough security measures have been put in place. Out of the total 1,679 polling booths of West Tripura Lok Sabha constituency, the Election Commission had declared repoll in 168 booths after examining all the complaints and video footages on large-scale rigging and booth capturing. Interestingly, CPIM and Congress had already approached the Supreme Court seeking its intervention to order repoll in the entire Lok Sabha constituency. A top militant commander of Islamic Jammu Kashmir, ISJK, and IS-inspired terror module was killed today by security forces in a brief encounter in South Kashmir district of Sopian. The authorities have snapped mobile internet service as a precautionary measure to prevent rumors. Official sources said that security forces noticed movement of a militant at Asijipora, Sopian at 400 hours today. However, when challenged and asked to surrender, militant opened fire. They said adding in the return fire, militant was killed. Later, the slain militant was identified as Ishfaq Ahmad alias Abdullah Bhai of ISJK, reportedly last surviving militant of Zakir Musa group. Ishfaq, a resident of Sopore in Baramulla, had joined Hartul Mujahideen before shifting to ISJK. The operation has ended and security forces have been deployed in Mantown to prevent any demonstration. A 5-judge bench led by Chief Justice of India, Ranjan Gogoi, convened to hear the Ayodhya title dispute appeals even as an apex court-appointed mediation committee has sent its interim report. The bench had sent the Ayodhya dispute for mediation on March 8 in a bid to heal minds and hearts. The Supreme Court had appointed a panel of mediators, including former apex court judge, Justice FMI Kalifullah as chairman, Sri Ravi Shankar and Sri Ram Panchu, a pioneer in alternative dispute resolution mechanisms. The committee had held several rounds of mediation with stakeholders in Faizabad district in Uttar Pradesh, of which the disputed area in Ayodhya is a part. Stressing the need for utmost confidentiality in the conduct of the mediation to ensure its success, the court had gone to the extent of opining that the media should refrain from reporting the mediation proceedings. The 8 weeks was the time given to the Muslim parties to examine the accuracy and relevance of the Uttar Pradesh government's official translation of thousands of pages of oral depositions and exhibit in the Ayodhya title suit appeals pending since 2010 in the apex court. The bench had explained that the Ramzanma Bhumi Babri Masjid case is not about the 1,500 square feet of disputed land, but about religious sentiments. South Africa's ruling African National Congress, ANC, had a comfortable lead with nearly half of the national election votes counted, but much lower support than it received during the last parliamentary and presidential contests. Corruption allegations from opposition parties appeared to have hurt the governing party, with returns from 46% of South Africa's voting district tallied. The ANC had 57% of the vote, according to results announced by the Electoral Commission. The party won 62% of the vote in the 2014 election. The opposition Democratic Alliance, which vigorously campaigned on the corruption issue, was holding on to its position as the largest opposition party. It had 23% of the vote, about the same share it received previously. The populist, leftist economic freedom fighters also met official graph one of each man camping issues and increased its share of Wednesday vote to just over 9%. More than 40 smaller parties also are vying for power. The ANC's reputation was badly sullied under former President Jacob Zuma. Its support has fallen in every election since 2004, with the party taking 54% in 2016 municipal elections, compared with 62% in 2014's national vote. Now, let's have a look to some of the local newspaper headlines published in some local dailies.
The Shanghai Express, 23 die in every 100 accidents in Manipur. One camera for each counting table. Modi breaks down BJP's poll strategy. Specify complaints. CEO to Congress candidate James. The People's Chronicle. Genuine state farmers deprived of Kishan credit card. Minister vows action against culprits. Help to Shugnu School. Kanglei Park Students Association KSA seeks clarity on Class 3 EVS textbook. Chief Minister congratulates HSC pass students. Experts collect insect samples. Distribute biopesticides. SP charged shit in Arun case soon. Imphal Free Press. Eyebrows raised in transfer and posting despite election code. Communities affected by railway construction demand compensation. Police seizes 32 motorcycles with modified exhaust pipes. Nephew Rio on Naga political issue. Education Minister inspects St. Joseph's High Secondary School, Sugnu.
Before we wind up the news bulletin, the top stories once again. First, the top stories. One man killed, 3 others injured as soap building collapses at Imphal Quaramban Market. President of Mar People's Convention, P. Lalmintang Sanaite in police net. Cops package causes IED scar at Nambol. And repair work on Jiri Tipaimuk Road resumes. That's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates. Thank you.